Best RGB gaming RAM sticks boost system performance, enhance multitasking, improve gaming stability, and add stunning customizable lighting for an immersive PC setup. My today's video is about top 5 best RGB gaming RAM sticks that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Team Group T-Force Delta RGB DDR4 16GB. The Team Group T-Force Delta RGB DDR4 gaming RAM combines strong performance with stunning aesthetics, making it a great upgrade for gaming and high-performance PCs. Its full-frame 120-degree ultra-wide lighting design creates vibrant RGB effects that illuminate the entire module, delivering an eye-catching look inside any gaming setup. The built-in force flow RGB lighting effect adds smooth, dynamic transitions that enhance the overall visual experience. Performance and durability are equally impressive. The aluminum alloy heat spreader with an asymmetric minimalist design not only looks sleek, but also helps dissipate heat efficiently during intense workloads or long gaming sessions. With the latest JEDEC RC 2.0 PCB, the RAM ensures improved signal stability and reliable performance. For customization, it supports ASUS Aura Sync, allowing seamless RGB synchronization with compatible motherboards and other components. Operating at an energy-efficient 1.2V, 1.4V, it reduces power consumption while maintaining high stability, making it an excellent balance of style, efficiency, and performance for modern gaming builds. Now our second product is Gigastone Game Turbo 32GB Kit. The PNY XLR 8 Gaming RGB DDR4 3200 MHz 32GB 2x16GB desktop memory kit is a powerful upgrade for gamers and PC enthusiasts who want both performance and style. With a 32GB dual-channel kit, it provides plenty of memory for modern games, multitasking, streaming, and demanding creative workloads. Running at DDR4 3200 MHz, PC4-25600, it delivers fast data transfer speeds that help reduce lag and improve overall system responsiveness. Designed as a non-ECC unbuffered UDIM with CL16 latency, this memory is optimized for gaming desktop PCs and ensures stable, efficient performance. The 288-pin design and 1.35V operating voltage strike a good balance between power efficiency and high-speed operation. Aesthetic appeal is another highlight, featuring 8 individual RGB LEDs that add vibrant lighting effects to your build. With support for Intel XMP 2.0 and AMD Ryzen overclocking profiles, users can easily unlock higher performance with minimal setup. Overall, it's a reliable and visually striking memory kit for modern gaming rigs. Our third product is Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM 16GB. The Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 memory represents a new level of speed, efficiency, and visual impact for modern gaming and high-performance PCs. Built with advanced DDR5 technology, it unlocks higher frequencies, larger capacities, and improves CPU data handling, helping demanding applications and next-generation games run more smoothly. That a standout feature is its dynamic 10-zone RGB lighting, with individually addressable LEDs housed inside a panoramic light bar. This design produces bright, immersive lighting that looks stunning from virtually any viewing angle, making it perfect for showcase gaming builds. Performance tuning is easier thanks to onboard voltage regulation, which allows more precise and stable overclocking directly through Corsair ICUE. Users can also create and save custom performance profiles using Intel XMP 3.0, optimizing memory behavior for specific apps, games, or workloads. With dozens of preset lighting effects and deep customization options, this memory delivers both elite performance and striking RGB aesthetics, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts and gamers who want total control over their PC's power and style. Now number 4. Team Group T-Force Vulkan DDR5 32GB. The Team Group T-Force Vulkan DDR5 desktop memory is designed to bring next-generation speed and reliability to modern gaming and productivity systems. Built for the latest platforms, it is fully compatible with Intel 600 series chipset and Intel 700 series chipset, delivering the powerful performance that DDR5 technology promises. With support for Intel XMP 3.0, users can achieve one-click overclocking, making it easy to unlock higher speeds without complicated manual tuning. The memory features a sleek, reinforced heat spreader design that improves cooling efficiency while maintaining a clean, modern look inside your PC. Stability is a major highlight thanks to integrated power management ICs, PMICs, enhanced PMC cooling, and on-die ECC, all working together to ensure consistent power delivery and system reliability. Team Group also selects high-quality ICs for better durability and performance. Backed by a lifetime warranty and dedicated technical support, this DDR5 kit is a dependable choice for gamers, creators, and PC enthusiasts seeking speed, efficiency, and long-term reliability. And our last choice is TimeTech Pinnacle Premium DDR4 32GB. The TimeTech DDR4 3200 MHz 32GB, 2x16GB laptop memory kit is a strong upgrade for users who want smoother multitasking and improved system responsiveness in laptops or compact PCs. Designed specifically for notebooks, mini PCs, and all-in-one devices, this 32GB kit, 2x16GB, delivers ample memory capacity for gaming, heavy applications, and productivity tasks. Running at DDR4 3200 MHz, PC4-25600. With CL22 timing, it provides fast data transfer speeds that help reduce loading times and improve overall performance. If a system cannot support the full 3200 MHz speed, the memory automatically downclocks to 2933 MHz or 2666 MHz, ensuring broad compatibility with various DDR4 laptop systems. Built as a 260-pin unbuffered non-ECC module with 1.2V low-power operation, it offers reliable performance while maintaining energy efficiency. The dual-rank 2RX8 design further enhances stability and bandwidth during demanding workloads. Backed by a lifetime warranty and free technical support, this memory kit is a dependable and cost-effective choice for upgrading compatible DDR4 laptops and boosting everyday performance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.